Welcome back to the channel. I welcome all new subscribers and everyone who has already subscribed. Thank you for being here. In today's guide, I'm going to show you a VPN app that can help secure your internet connection while you are online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. On this channel, we share apps that help improve online security and browsing experience. Open the Google Play Store and search for Tunnel VPN. From the results, select the app and check the app name and icon carefully. Install the app on your device. After installation, tap on Open. If you are new to this channel, please take a moment to subscribe for more useful content. When the app opens, you will need to do a few basic settings. On the home screen, tap on the three lines in the corner. Select Update Resources. This allows the app to update its files so it can work properly. Next, choose a server. I recommend selecting a server that is close to your country. In this guide, a German SSH UDP server is selected, but you can choose another one if you prefer. After that, choose the network option. Select All Country UDP. This option works in many countries and usually provides better speed. Now look for the time option. Tap on it and add connection hours. If the time runs out, the app will stop working, so make sure you add enough time. Once all settings are done, tap on the Start button. The app will connect and your internet connection will be active. That's how you set up Tunnel VPN for basic online security. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.